In this video, I'm going to show you how to block screenshots on WhatsApp. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the WhatsApp application and then click on the conversation that you want to block screenshots from. Then you need to click on the camera icon in the bottom right hand side. Now select the photo that you want to be blocked from being screenshotted, and in the bottom right you'll see this number 1. Now all you need to do is click on this number, and as you can see, this is a feature that will allow the receiver only one time to view the photo. You can also do this for videos and voice messages as well, so just go ahead and press OK. Then click on the send button in the bottom right. Now once they receive this photo, they'll only be able to view it once, and it will also prevent them from screenshotting the photo as well. Now a lot of people have been wondering how to stop someone from screenshotting your profile picture on WhatsApp. Now as long as you've got the most up-to-date version of WhatsApp, this is actually a new feature that they've included in recent versions, and it will just automatically stop you from screenshotting anyone's profile picture anyway. You can go ahead and try it yourself. If you try and screenshot someone's profile picture, if you look at the photo, it will already be blanked out. You won't be able to do it, and that's in all recent versions of WhatsApp. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you block screenshots on WhatsApp. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.